This conference will now be recorded.
So I'm going to share the screen. So everyone able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm in SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. Today's topic I am going to discuss with yesterday we have discussed tolerance group. Before that we have discussed about the document type number range. Okay. So tolerance group we have created for GL accounts, and today I am going to create some general ledgers GL accounts one more time. So today's topic is document splitting. First I'll show you how to create GL account. So all are in SAP Easy Access screen now you can see, and I'm going to the accounting, financial accounting, master records, FS00. So make a note on this. You have to go to the SAP Easy Access, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master records, GL accounts, then you can see individual processing and FS00 centrally. You have to click on this. So yesterday I have created some of those things here. Now one more I'll create. Suppose your sales account I have created, purchase account, interest paid. I'll show you how to create one more time. Click on create. So I'll give commission paid one expenses. So this is 3 lakhs 3. Okay. So click on this and it will be like expenses. So profit and loss account it will come, and it is an expenses. Okay, sorry, this I have done wrongly. So we can just one should go back. So here we have a change options. Expense account only defined, yes. So what I'll do income orders. We can change it. Income, if it is showing red colors, then what you will do means that means it is giving a warning message. So 4 lakhs to 499 we have given document number range for the expenses. Okay, so we'll be able to enter on, sorry, this is for expenses, and 3000 I have given for rent. So when I have given 3003, then 3 lakhs 3, then it you have to create income. So I have rent received, commission received, I create. Now I'll create interest received, interest received account. Okay, interest received account. So here you have to go to the control data, line item display. Line item means what? Like 40 is the debit entry and 50 is the credit entry. So short key 001. What is the short key? I'll just explain one more time. Short key is the posting date. What is that? Posting date. Document posting date 001. This is our short key. Create bank interest. We have to give here G001. Okay, click on save button. So now interest receipt has been created. Likewise, one more, I'll create expenses like interest paid, purchase expenses, commission paid. I'm going to create. So click on this 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs 3 already I have created. Click on this, and what I'll create now. So this is our P&L account, expenses. Now it is taking, and here we have to use commission paid. Commission paid. Okay, then control data, line item display 001, and create as G001. Click on save. Now commission paid also created. So what are the things we have created here? Liabilities we have created, capital. Later on I'll tell you sundry debtor, creditor also we can create. Right now I am using this much. Okay, all are getting this. This is called GL account creations, like GL masters. This is called ledger, general ledger. So everyone has joined the meeting. Okay, now see here. On screen, I'll go one step back, and SPRO, self reference IMG, and last class we did financial accounting global settings, document, document types. Yesterday I have discussed document types. What are the document types here? Positions. This is SA. I discussed yesterday also. This is for GL account document. If I'll do KA, those who have absent, they can see here. This is for vendor document. Likewise, I have given for KR for vendor invoice. You can see. Likewise, other we have. Okay, there's a document types we need not to create. So document number range we have created. Document entry view. Define document number range for entry view. So here we have given MT10. We can see display intervals. So here little bit I'll do changes because it's a change intervals. We can delete. I did not tell you how to delete intervals. Suppose I am going to delete. Okay, so I can delete any intervals. One more time I'll create. Yes, do you want to save this? Yes, I have deleted this intervals. Now I am going to create again. So intervals, click on intervals, give 0 1. This is 2023 actually. Mistakes I have entered to 24 because now financial year is running from 23 to 24. So here I have given 1,000 to 199. Okay, so now I'm going to save this. Click on save, then change. This change were saved. So actually you should give 23. Okay, 23. Why? Because financial year is running now 23 to 24. Assessment year is 24 to 25. That assessment year in the fiscal year we have discussed. This is your financial. So 23 you have to give. Anyone can see here. So everyone see 0 1 you have to give document number range. The starting from this year I shown you before also, like we have a one common number range like company that is inbuilt in SAP software. You can see this SAP has already created this many number range. Okay, this many number range is already there. Anyone you can copy and you can take it also. That is 15 16 any number range has given, but 15 16 these are we are taking for the vendors and customers group also. That will discuss in the coming classes. Right now I have done for MT10. Okay, next is copy to company code. It is not necessary. When you are copying to the copy the document number range from the 00001 company to your company, then only copy to company code is required. That means this thing is required, or else it is not required for you. Okay, when we are copying that same number range and we are taking in our company, in that case we have to enable this. Fiscal year we have to give like 2023, company code we have to give MT10, and so this is 1992 which company source code, and here 2023 you have to give and you can save it. But right now I have not copied any number range. Okay, so it is not required right now. Next, I am going to today one very important part like general ledger accounting and document splitting. Today's topic is business transactions, document splitting. What is document splitting? Now you see here. Document
Ma'am,
splitting, anyone? Yes, tell me.
ma'am, my software is stuck.
Software is stuck.
I'll send you a picture 1 minute.
What happened? That you have to only pause and play, right? That day I shown you, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am. I was trying to do that and then it got stuck.
Then admin, you show me. It can be done or not.
Ma'am, I've sent you the picture.
It is correct only. What happened? It's black. It is showing. Okay, now you do one thing. Uh, it is not stuck. You have just what happened? You did the T code bar hidden. I think. See, T code bar is here. Just next to the one tick mark is there. No green color tick mark. See on my screen. Okay. Here maybe
Yes.
you have hidden like this. So it will open means you will be able to do that.
Okay, so what do I have to do?
Now ECC, it is app easy access is displaying. You do one thing. Here we have a three buttons now that you click on this screen. See this. My pointer is where there you click. It will become bigger.
Okay.
Exit full screen like this. It is there. Click on that.
Ma'am, but to suspend the guest operating system, it's not letting me do
Ah,
that.
suspend is not happening because it is did for me also like it is only pause and play we can do, we cannot suspend. See here, from here we are doing no directly. What I'll do in this case, I'll just go here and I'll show you once again. See here we have to do suspend. Okay, here we have
Okay.
button suspend. If I'll do suspend it will get over. Likewise, so for you is it displaying in this way, so you have to resume the virtual machine.
Ma'am, but it's not letting me click on the. It's like blurred. It's not letting me click on the suspend only. I can't get the drop down menu for that.
Only admin can check this software, only he is knowing. So I'll give his number, you can contact him. How it is getting locked that day, I shown you. How it will be work like yesterday, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am. So I
So
tried offering it and it's not letting. Now it's stuck like this.
suspend gate also not happening. This option is
No,
green
ma'am.
color is not.
If I click
Okay.
on the pause button, it's not
Okay,
letting
this
me click.
particular picture I'm sending to the concerned person. So he may take that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I sent this picture to him. Uh, he was asking today about you that software is working or not. That student has come. So I'll send this picture so you will get to know that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We'll continue the class. Uh, you can suggest you only because software related problems, system admin will get to know that. Okay. So are you okay? I'll send these photos, two photos to him. So he will get to know what is the problem here. Okay. I've already sent. Sanvi, what is your SANVI?
SAANVI.
Yes. Okay, I've sent him. He will be checking that. Now resume the virtual machine. Actually, the software directly you should not close. Once we open, directly you should not close. You have to follow the procedure for this. So why it is become black? It, I have to check on this. This is also getting slow. Okay, till that we'll discuss here. Now, document splitting in SAP is the new functionality introduced in SAP ECC 6.0. New GL to create segment, financial statement splitting or split a document is the process of breaking large documents into a greater number of smaller files. There are various reasons to split a file. For example, you only need some pages from specific documents and not for the entire one. If I clear it, what is the document splitting? Document splitting allows you to display documents using a differentiated representation. In the representations, line items are split according to selected dimensions. And this way you can draw the financial statements of the selected. Like we have expenses, we have assets and liabilities, it will comes under balance sheets account, balance sheet reports, and what sorry expenses and income and expenses, it will comes on profit and loss account. Assets and liabilities, it will comes under the what is that balance sheet. So document splitting is a tools provide in SAP GL for determining the missing out assignments in various process like invoices, payments, clearing in SAP system that impact accounting. So we have the procedure like document splitting. I'm going to show how to do this. So we'll go to the SPRO, sub reference IMG. Everyone note down the path. SPRO, sub reference IMG. Okay. Then financial accounting new, general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting. Note down the path. Here I have mentioned here, so you can write it. Here is the path. And write the meaning of document splitting also. So everyone has noted down this path. So it is in EC servers that also you can write. Document splitting is a in SAP is the new functionality. So here is a given. For example, you need to some pages from a specific documents and not the file. You want to split that one. So I'm going to do here in software. So click on classify GL account. So document splitting, click on IMG activity of classify GL account for document splitting. You have to do in class itself. Get your laptop ready in the classes, and till how much I taught you students, that much you have to do. Okay, understanding, so that you can cooperate. Misha, Srinidhi, Tejasri, Meghna, and Sanvi. All I'm telling you need to do in class itself. I'll give you the time. Today onwards, if you'll do, then only you will be able to understand this, because concepts will be little bit tougher now in coming classes. So you need to create the company, startup accounts, till tolerance group you need to do. Okay, do in class itself. Get your system ready like in the class, and I'll give you the time to do that. You can solve also. Okay, now click on the classify GL account for document splitting. If you click on this MT10 I have given, click on chart of accounts is MT10, click on continue. Here we have a account from. So what you will do, click on new entries. So here we have to give, we can see here one menu is displaying, so we have to click here. So what we need to do, like here, everyone on the screen, like see GL account, classify GL account, document splitting here. In this you have to click on new entries, and here I am giving 1 lakh. So 12350 accounts it will ask. So 19959, and this is category you have to select. 1 lakh to 19 is my, what is that, assets. So here we have to select like balance sheet. Why? Because why I'm telling this is balance sheet, because 1 lakh to 199 we have given, that is an accounts group like balance sheet. Likewise we have to do 2 lakhs to 299. This is also balance sheet. Why? This is called liabilities, so this will comes under balance sheet account. Next is 3 lakhs to 39959, that will comes under income, so we have to take here revenue. Next is 4 lakhs to 499, it will be comes under expenses, so this is 2000. So this is called your document splitting. So all you make a note down, all you make a note on this. Apeksha, you joined
Yes,
lately, Apeksha, today. Two classes you have missed out, or one class, I think. Yesterday class you have missed out.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't miss now onwards. Concept will be little hard. Like postings, we are going to do from today onwards. So all you should join, and this will be tougher. Like I'm teaching now document splitting. Okay, document splitting. What is that? You can just make a note. I have shown today. Document splitting in SAP is the new functionality introduced in SAP FICO ECC 6.0. New GL to create this segment financial statements, splitting or splitted documents in the process, breaking a large document into greater number of smaller pieces. Like suppose you have a lot of transactions and we can split for this, like balance sheet, expenses, income wise we can create a smaller files. So that is known as your document splitting. There are various reasons to split a files. For example, you only need some pages for specific documents. Look, I want only profit and loss account, so I need to do income and expenses. We have to do document splitting. Likewise, I want only on assets how much and liabilities, what are the liabilities has to be paid to the creditors, what are the liabilities amount. Okay, all these things, how much assets we have. So all these things I have to split the documents and not for the entire one. So here I'll give one more. This is your like what is maintaining your invoices, payments, outgoing payments, incoming payments, clearing differences is all, it will be calculated in the document splitting. According to that, without document splitting will not be able to pass the entries. So this is mandatory to create for GL postings. Okay, after
Okay,
this
ma'am.
you have click on save button. So you have written this 1 lakh to 1 9, and this is I have given number range. Like I have created when accounts, chart of accounts when created, accounts group we have created, that time we have given this 2 lakhs to 299. It will be for, see, this is for assets, that many I have given, this is for liability, this is for income, and this is for expenses. Once you click on the save button, see 011, it will display for. So here our company Tata Group of company 10, execute this button, continue, and you can save this. Once you save this, now you can see this is for balance sheet automatically updated. This is the descriptions, categories automatically it will come. You need to select the number of the categories. Category number automatically it will update in the SAP software. So here we have data was saved. There is no mistakes. Data has been saved without any mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone has make a note and save this. Come back. Okay. Today I shown you how to create GL accounts. Also, we'll be going back that one more, and we'll be create GL posting today. So come back to the SAP Easy Access. So here I'll do one more time accounting. So here we have a procedure how to create GL accounts. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. Apeksha, you write down. You have joined lately. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger account, then master record. First, I'll create one more, last GL masters I'll create, and we'll go to the next posting. Master records after this GL account. Follow the steps. Then individual processing, FS double zero you have to use. So you can all students make a note FS double zero for GL creations. Means GL account, GL masters creations we can say. That means like we have to create land account, purchase account, sales account, rent paid account, commission paid account. These all ledgers we have to create in FS double zero. You can type directly on the T code bar FS double zero, the screen will open. But I am showing navigation. Okay. So T code wise also we can do, transactions code wise also we can go to that particular screen. So you have make down, note down this Apeksha, FS double zero centrally. Click on this, double click on this, it will open. Now we have created yesterday and today's also. These are all we have created. How we created, see once. So are you getting Apeksha? All students you are getting? I am asking to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see here. Uh, yeah. One more will create like we have created computer. Now take an example of one more asset we'll create. That is 1 lakh. 3 is there, 1 lakh 4 I am taking. 1 lakh 4, this is the GL account. Click on here. So what I'll create, balance sheet. What I'll create here, assets. What I'll create, land account. A/C. This is short text and this is long text, land account. Okay. So you have to go to the control data. You have to click on line item display. Here we can change the 001. Students, I want to tell you some more things here. Like, see, you have to tell you that. See, G001 this is. Okay, I'll just let you have to click on save and click on continue. So what happens, suppose this have selected by mistakenly profit and loss account. What will happen, you here we have options like find is there, create, this is called display. Whatever we have created we can display. Suppose I want to display these things, so I can go to the display. Okay, computer account, this is. Here we can change. So once you click on change, it will be activate. Any wrong accounts group you have selected means you can change it here. Okay, now this is your copy. Your copy from this to another company, that also you can do here. You can change the company here. And this is the block. Any persons you want to block in GL accounts, like any users you want to block, then you can block it. And this is set for deletions. Any things you want to delete, you can delete also, right? Here we have options called change company. Sometimes what happen, already one person's company, suppose your software is using by any other person, so they may have created any other company. In that case, once you have to go to the create options and you can create, then don't be scared about this. Just create it and continue. And what will happen, it will take your data, but after this you can change your company code. So what will happen, your company code will be, now suppose I have a MT24 company, I want to create on this. So click on this, and I've created or not, I did not know the chart of accounts I have created there. So suppose I am creating 1 lakh and company I'm going to chase MT24. That's what I have created, two company to show you. So it is taking that. If it is taking, I need to create for this. Suppose balance sheet, I'll create here assets. I'll take here cash account. Cash account is created. Suppose I'm creating here SDFC bank. SDFC bank. Okay, SDFC bank. In this, I'll create one more SDFC bank account. Okay, so control data, and you have to use your line item display 001, but I'm creating for now MT24, but it is company is displaying MT10. Need not to worry about this. And click on bank. It now bank is always G005. This is called field status variant. Already I discussed that day, two classes before, like field status variant. What is the important, when you are creating GL masters, it will be required. Like, so here G005 you have to select. Other things all it will become in G001. Whatever ledgers we have created will all comes under general ledgers, but only bank ledgers you have to create under this, and as well as Sunday creditor accounts under reconciliations account you have to create. So that is G067. Okay, that I'll discuss in the later on when accounts receivable payable LTs, that time I'll tell you. Right now I'm selecting bank account and click on save. What will happen, data will be saved, but right now if I'll change the company empty into this, I can create here MT24. Click on this. Now you can see that company is displaying. Okay, next I want to change the company again. You can change the company code MT10. Click on okay. Now this has been coming. So you can change the company from here. Okay, and this is what update. Anything you want to update, you can update it. This is a print preview. That is lastly, I'll tell you how to get the print preview. These options is also print preview. Here we have a like previous step and next step, but only this you have to change. This you have to do. Like you can do display. You can change this. Any mistakes is happen means you can suppose you have mistakenly checked G001 for bank account. You can click on change and you can change the your field status variant. Okay. Anything you want to delete, you can delete this. Okay, suppose two times you have created purchase account, you want to delete, select that and delete that, just for selection. So this is called your masters creations, like general ledger creations I have done. Okay, so now I'll go into the posting sections. Before that, I'll tell you what are the shortcut keys, what are the T code for the GL postings. Okay, so you have to go to the SAP Easy Access screen only, and accounting and financial accounting, general ledger, posting. So document is for display. Now today I'll teach you all the T codes, all these things you can make a note, students. FBV0 is for enter GL account. Right now, take a pen and paper and just write down this. What are the T code for the GL postings? This all are T code. Make a note on the student. So all students are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now make a note. I will proceed after that. Follow the path like accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting. It is in SAP Easy Access. Directly you can't create ledgers. Whatever steps we have done till today, that all you have to do. First we have created company, defined company, then we have assigned the company, we have created business area, created credit control areas, we have assigned the business area, credit control areas, then we have created your fiscal year variant, then fee status variant, chart of accounts we have created, and then we have done like last class, last to last class document types, number range, then we have created tolerance group. Now, yesterday we have created like GL Masters. Today also I shown GL Masters. Now we are doing posting. After finishing all the steps, all the recordings are there. Go through this. After finishing this, we have to enter into the GL posting. So that is nothing but the transaction entry right now. So all you make a note. I'll tell you some more T codes for the documents displays also. This is all you need to write. Only last one you don't write, students, F05. Other things you can make a note. This you don't write. Foreign currency we are not doing right now. Only last F05 you skip that. Once is done, let me know. Okay. Send me the reply if it is done. Put a thumbs up. So your FB50 is enter GL account document. FB50L is enter GL account document for ledger group. F02 is for general posting. FB01L is for enter general postings for ledger groups. FB50 edit or park GL documents. F65 is general document parking. F04 is post with clearing. F06 is incoming payments, which is we are using in customer payments, and F07 is for outgoing payments. FBCJ for cash journal postings. It is there in our SAP also how to cash journals. F05 don't write, not required right now. Next for documents also you can write what are the documents. This for what are the documents will be there. F02 to change any documents we are posting entries. F09 change line items, you can change it. F03 for display. F04 for display changes. FBRA for reset clear items. After this you have to write the T code for the Spark documents. These all T codes you have to make a note, students, today. For Park document, we have FB V0, that is post or delete. We can post Park document, we can post it. FB50 is post and delete single screen transactions. FBV2 is for change the Park documents. FB50 is change single screen transactions. FBV3 is display. FBV4 is change header. FBV5 is display changes. FBV6 is reject. Last one is optional. FBV5 or V6. Till this much you can write. FBV3 you can do that. This 3 is optional. You can write, but this we are not using practically. Till this much we all were using. So it's done, students. Hello, Apeksha. Okay. Are the students Srinidhi, Mahadi, Kunja list again left out? Okay. Sanvi, Tejasri, Misha, all you have written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we'll proceed now. See here. Now I'll go to the posting. So FP50 enter GL account. Before that, I'll tell you general posting. Okay. So general posting out of F02. F-02 you have to click. You can directly write T code from here also. Now this is the enter GL account posting. This is the general posting. So document date. Here I'll explain some things. What is that? See, we can post a document. What is the difference between park document and post document? This is a general posting. So park documents means, see, there is a seniors officers will be there. Parking documents means it has to be, see, in a company there are different departments will be there. Executive departments, manager level department. Okay, so senior manager will be there. In that case, what documents has to be verified by the different section wise, different levels wise persons. Like suppose the person has been parked the documents but will not be able to post till the it is not verified by the senior manager. or senior, suppose accounts manager is there, senior accounts manager, it has to be verified by him, and then only it can be posted. That is called park document. Okay, edit and park document. So if I'll tell you little bit details, you can see what is the park document. Park document is like we have to post it. Now if I'll go to here, what is park document? Park documents means, you can see, you can use document parking to enter store incomplete document in SAP system without performing extensive entries check. So this entries whatever you have passed for this transactions, it has to be verified. For more information, so document permit and other the user subsequently. Here if you do hard hold and park, what is the difference? Hold documents refers to a temporarily saved documents for incomplete data, contains valid information but are not ready for posting. Kept on hold, preventing for further processing. There is some mistakes in the, suppose there is some mistakes in your document entries. In that case, we can hold the document and it has to be verified by the senior accountant. Okay, so then only the document has to be posted. Okay, so that is, we have a three options in the SAP. I'll write here in this. So three options is what? One is park document, one is hold document. When the information is not proper or incomplete, we can hold the document. And next one is post document. So three things is there. First level, just like suppose you are going for interview. Suppose there is three rounds interview. You are clearing first round, second round also you have cleared, and third round is also final round. That you clear means you are, what is that, appointed for the job. Likewise, here we have a park document. First you have to park. If any information is incomplete, then we can hold the documents. And if all this verification has been true, all those things has been verified by the senior accountant or by the senior consultant or by the senior manager, then we can post the documents finally. So this is the three sections we can say of post document. See here, F0 general posting, click on this. Now we have options called held document. I'll show you one example on held document. Account model, first entry data, post with reference, and edit options. See what is the document date here. Document dates means I'll give you 2 days date. Okay, so I'll take one transactions here. One transactions I'll write like on 1st of April, or today's date I'm giving as 1/24. This is a month day year format 2024. What is that? Company introduce capital. Company introduce capital rupees 5 lakh to business. Okay, this is the first transactions. Next transactions I'll give same date only. I am giving different transactions like deposit cash, deposited cash rupees 50,000 to ICICI Bank. These are the transactions. Next is purchase furniture worth rupees 20,000 by cash. Okay, received commission. All students can make a note. Received commission received commissions rupees 5,000 by cash. Okay, paid interest rupees 2000 by cash. Okay. Purchase computer worth rupees 40,000 by check. Means by bank, you can write by bank. In bracket you can write ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. That means by check. Okay. Next is what I'll do. Sold machinery worth rupees 10,000 by for cash. Okay, so these are the transactions we need to enter on this first step. Let the date same only. So one date, this many transactions has been done in a company. So this is called your transactions part. Okay, transactions. So you have to do posting here. Okay, first is company introduced capital rupees 5 lakh to the business. So how will enter this? We have created capital account. We have not created capital account. Did you remember? We have not created capital account. So how will create general ledgers? We have to create. We have to go to the general ledger, financial accounting. Okay, and we have to go to the general ledger. We have a called master records. So here we have not created. Okay, I'll change this company MT10. So here we have not created company's capital account we have created. Okay, so we'll do now posting here. So what I am doing, general posting first I'll show you. So in this case we have to give document date. Document date means today's date. I have to give an essay. I discuss. No, what is essay? Who can say me what why it is showing essay? I have taught yesterday class also. This is called document type. Essay is for GL posting. Right? Understood? Everyone remember this essay for GL posting. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubts? Did you saw the recordings? Yesterday recordings, so you will get to know that. What is that? See here. Then document number you need not to give. It will automatically generate by the system itself. Posting key is 40 for debit entry. As I told you, line items. So there are two line items. One is a debit, one is credit for FICO. So this is first line item. 40 is for debit. So my first transaction is what? Company introduced capital rupees 5 lakhs to the business, right? So I need to enter this transaction here. So which account will be debit, which account will be credit here? Yes, anyone can answer me? First transactions. See the transactions here and answer me what will be the answer for this. You can write this question also. So cash account debited to capital account, right? All students make the note next the questions you write it transactions questions. So all are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see here. Here I'll do cash accounts. So how will do? We have created the GL account cash accounts. So click on this and you have to select. See, this is SDFC Bank is displaying. So 40 is debit entries. We have to do here. Like this is one more thing. Company code is 24. Very careful about this. You have to change your company code, then only you will be able to see that, because in this 24 we have created only SDFC Bank, so it is not displaying. So company code, currency rate is INR. Okay, so these four fields has to be remember. All you make a note on this. Document date is posting date here same I have given. See, there is a difference between document date and posting date. Document date means like which date you are passing the entries. Posting date means where it is going to post. Okay, so document can be parked and post in another days. So when you are giving on posting on another days, you have to give document date. So right now I am going to direct posting, the general posting, so both the dates should be same. Okay, so this is the things has to be understand. And type you should not change. Type should be always essay. Essay is for general posting, general ledger posting. Period is 10. Now what is the, this is, this is called posting period. Okay, I'll tell about the screen itself. Period, why it is 10? I did not give anything 10. It is not according to the like company code is 10, it's not 10. It's a posting period. I told you 12 posting periods we have. Now come back to this our previous things and all. If I'll go come back, like posting periods, if I'll show you, see here posting periods, we have a 12 posting periods I told you that day. So 10th is for what? 10th is for right now we have 10th posting period. So we need not to change here. It is automatically taking by the system itself. Okay, 9 is for December and 10th is for January. See, if you'll count from April, April is the 1, May is the 2nd, June is the 3rd, July is the 4th, then August is the 5th, September is the 6th, October it is the 7th, November is 8. Sorry, I'll just go through this structure. I'll show you, then you will get to know that. Here one table I have done. It is there or not? I'll show you once. 1 second. Document type, enterprise structure. I have created somewhere. 1 minute. To honest group document posting charts of accounts. I think it is in different file. I have sent that, you can check in this our group. Already I have sent that. There is a 12 posting periods. Likewise, 9th is the December, 10th is the January, then 11th is February, 13, 14, 13, and 16 posting periods, special periods is there. So anyhow, this is 10th is there. This is called posting period 10. You need not to change anything here. Just click on this and select the cash account. So cash account, you have to enter, press enter key, and we have to go to the next. So it will open the next screen. Okay, so amount, how much amount I have given for this? I have given, document splitting, right, I have given 5 lakhs. So here I have to enter 5 lakhs. Don't give comma and all, just type 5 lakhs 550. And here text value date is must, you have to give the value date 24. And text I'm giving here like being capital introduce, like how you are writing narrations. If you are doing tally entries, you know what is a narration, so you can write that being capital introduce. Okay, so in this posting key will be 50 because first posting key is debit entry, now it is a credit entry. What will be the credit here? Capital account. Select this and click on this, we have a company's capital account, right? After this what you need to do, press enter. So it will come one more screen. See, amount is for like you can put star, and for text you can do plus. Then what you will do, you have to simulate this transactions. So what is that? This is your display is there. Now you can see cash account debited to capital and posted. This is for post. So document has been posted directly. Here we can park the document and post, but directly I am posting from here. So document one message you will get, this document has been posted. It's loading now. See, document 1000 was posted. How it is showing 1000? Because I have given my number range 1000. So that is the, it was posted in code MT10. So this has been done. Next, one more document I want to post with the another one. See this. Here we have a MB50 for enter GL account. This is general posting. You are any doubts you have, you can do on this direct postings. And now I am going to tell you parked and post, how we'll do parked. Now here we have another one, I'll show you. Here we have a whole document. Suppose I am giving the date and posting entries, like next entries will do. What will be the next entries? Like deposit of cash to ICICI Bank. We'll do first this one. We'll deposit the money. Without money, no business. So deposit money 50,000 into ICICI Bank. So what will be the here? Which account will be debit? Which account will be credit according to this transactions? You can answer me. Now all of you see here deposit of cash rupees 50,000 to ICICI Bank. Which account will be debit? Which account will be credit? For this first transactions, for this first transactions, what is that answer? Hmm? Like cash account debited, how much? Cash account debited 5 lakh to company's capital account, right? Company's capital account. So here if I'll give, this will be credit. All you know these transactions, like how the journal entries should be. Everyone common students, right? So all are knowing that how it will be. So this is 5 lakhs. Okay. Likewise, what is the entries for the deposit of cash? Who can answer me? Which account will be debit? Which account will be credit?
Bank account debit to cash account.
Yes, ICICI bank account debited to cash account. So we have to pass the entries here. What we have to select, debit is bank account. Select this. We have ICICI bank. Okay. Then press enter. And what is the amount? 50,000. Right? 50,000 it is. So next we have to give your value date. Value date is 24. Assignment. So being cash deposited. So posting key will be 50 and accounts you need to select here cash. Okay. Press enter. So star is for amount. For text you can give plus symbol. So it is from numeric keypad right side which is present on your laptop. You can use that one and just click on enter, or you can do simulate. So display, you can document simulate also, it is there. You can do this also, or else you have options called here display document, and we can park document. Now I'll tell you, suppose park. I have done park document. So park documents means it is, see, document was parked. Now I am going to post the documents and another way. See, that is direct posting what I shown for first transaction. Second transactions I park the document. Now I am going to post the park document. So what I'll do, we have to go to the FBV0. FBV0, see, at the last I will give you all T code in a list wise, so you will be able to do that by this week I think, or by next Monday I'll give you all T codes, transactions code. You can practice with that. Till that you can practice with the navigation wise. Okay, now post and delete. What is that? Park documents we have to post now. So FBV0, so we have document number 1001. Fiscal year you have to give 23. Okay, so what is that document list? You can see this has been showing here. You can execute this and you can see one more screen will appear. This is called list of park document. Now I want to post this. So no document has been selected. So what I'll do in this case, we need to post this document. We need to post and delete is there, means we have to post means what? Edit park document, general document parking, it is also there. Now I want to post and delete. Double click here, fiscal year 2023. You should not go to the document list, just press enter. Just press enter, and now I am going to post this document. So ICICI bank account, everything is correct. Now by checking this you can save this. Once you save button you'll click, your document will be posted. See here, document 100 was posted in the company code MT10. So now you can see the message what is displaying MT10. This green button means it's already posted. Okay, document 1001 was posted in company code MT19. If it is red means it is not posted. It isn't parked till that. See, this is, we have a three buttons. Error is there means it will display like this. Warning, it is like that. This is information side. So this is green button has there means all these things has been done. Okay, now click on this. Now if I'll go to the 2023, I'm giving and document list and click on execute. What will display? No corresponding item exists. Why? Because it's already posted, there is nothing pending, things are there. Okay, sometimes what happened due to some mistakes, or we have parked the documents will not be able to post. In that case we can go and rectify there and it will be clear. Is that clear, students? So one more entries will be doing like your FB50 enter GL account document. So what and all we did, F02 general posting we did, and in that we did parked and post documents. Now I am going to do FB50. This says these things I'll be one more time I'll show you with the tomorrow's class also. So enter GL account documents. See here, this is one more screen. This is called enter GL account document company code. This one is displaying, but I need to change the company code first. So what we need to do? Company code is displaying different one. I need to change with MT10. Okay, then only we'll get all GL masters, or else it will be not display. So document date is like all five transactions will be do what I have given here. So purchase furniture sold rupees 20,000 by cash. So what I'll do here, some more transactions will do tomorrow. So this is purchase furniture worth rupees 20,000 by cash. So furniture accounts we have to do. So GL account you have to select here. What is that here? Furniture account. So we have created furniture account, students. Now double click on this, and what is the amount? 20,000. Right, 20,000, correct? Yes, 20,000. All are getting, students, how it is. Now you have to scroll this and you have to select the business area. Business area already tell which area the company will be present. So MT10, I have given the business area. I am using that one. And next is again So purchase account, we purchase furniture means furniture account debited to cash. So click on this, I have to select here cash account. Once you click on cash accounts, then you put the amount here 20,000. Just scroll this and come back to the business area. MT10 you have to take and just press enter. Once you press enter, this tick mark has been done means this is already correct. So in that case, what you will do, you have to simulate this. What is that? You can directly park or you can simulate. You can simulate. So posting is only possible with the zero balance correct document. So one second, here we have our cursor is here, no? So it is asking like that. So click on directly, you can do park document. Document was parked now. Okay, so document 1002 has been parked. So your cursor should not be another blank cells. So that's what its warning message was displaying. Now come back to this here again. This document we have to post now. Park document has been done. Then FBV0 you have to go. This is document 1002 now. So 2003. Sorry, 2023. Now I'll show you the document list if you'll do, and if you'll execute this, this is still pending. It is displaying means this has been pending. It has not been posted. Post park document list is there. There is some more park documents means it will be displaying this. That means what? Your document has already parked but still has to be posted. Okay. So in that case, what you will do? You have to just give the financial year, a fiscal year, enter, and this is displaying. So what you have to do, click on post. So document not parked since the change carried out. In that case, save as a complete. If you do, posting is only possible with zero balance. It's showing again. So what we'll do, directly you click on post. One second. This is, I have to go there one more time. 2023, enter, and click on post. Okay, that time I have pressed enter, so it is taking that. Okay, take it and post. We'll see why with the zero balance correct document. It has been posted. It has been posted. If I'll go to check 2023 document list, execute this. Yes, no document selected. Then you can post it. So what has been document cannot be posted since the document is not zero balance. Okay, we'll solve this. What is the problems here? Little mistakes will be because I have pressed two times enter. Now if I'll go to this here again, document 1 has been posted. This is, we'll check what is the problem here. Credit, okay, 20,000. Okay, we'll be checking by next tomorrow's class what is the things, and just let do. This is one has been posted. One, if you want to see, you can see that this document 1002 I'll be rectified tomorrow. That is just some zero balance is displaying. So we'll see what is the mistakes here. So this has been posted as accounting online. I solved this yesterday. It is posted, but it is not displaying. We'll check and change it. FBV2 is for change. We want to change means we can change some things here. Like your country is company code. Yes, correct. It is. Anything is there, like you can check it out. So business area. Okay. Okay, we'll check it. What is the problems here, and we'll rectify. Okay. So till that you practice, we'll continue. Any doubts you have, students? Just how to general posting first you do, edit, enter with GL posting one more time. I'll show you. FB50, I'll show you once more. Just general posting you do, post and parked you do, and post and delete you do. Okay. So these are the topics today. Students, any doubts you have? So recordings will be there, students. You can download it and do it. And Sanvi, I have given your screenshot to our system admin. You can contact, even I'll give his number also. You can contact Sanvi. Okay, and you just check it what is the problems there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All recordings you save it. Today, due to some technical issues, we have sent the yesterday recordings later, near about evening. So tomorrow morning you'll be getting that. Not a problems. Today's recordings. Okay. Any things you want to ask today? Any doubts you have? All the students. So posting, transactions, general ledgers. See, all your commerce students, I think so. Everyone is knowing that what is ledgers and all. So it will be easy to transaction. But what are the things is that previous procedures has to be a little bit different. So that you have to follow that, like defining, assigning, then creation of tolerance group. Everything is there. Okay. And at last, after finishing our full SAP class, and everyone you can give your email IDs. Okay. Not in group. My number is there, you can send it. And whatever notes you require, recordings too will be there every day. If anyone is want some notes, I'll be sending you whatever classes I have taken. So any notes is there. If you want, then you can contact me at the last class, means on the 30th hour. So I will be last class when I'll take that time. I'll be. It is all about like 15, 13 Feb till that classes will be there. It is all total 30 hours. Okay, that day I'll be sending you out through email. Okay, so till that you can follow the recordings and let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, all right, students. So
Right,
we'll close the
ma'am.
sessions now. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow with the again GL postings, and we'll do some more topics on that, and we'll continue. Tomorrow class will be there. Friday, I think it will be holiday. Friday no class. We'll get informations by tomorrow itself in class. I'll inform you. Okay, tomorrow class session will be there. Okay. So thank you, students. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.